Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic I get asked about all the time, weight loss. And you know me, I'm all about a healthy lifestyle, but sometimes we need a little boost. So, we're gonna break down the top 7 superfoods for weight loss that are actually backed by science. We're gonna explore what makes them so powerful, and how you can easily incorporate them into your diet. Let's get started. First up, we've got blueberries. These little guys are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage, and fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, studies have shown that blueberries can actually help improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. And when your blood sugar is stable, you're less likely to experience those energy crashes that leave you reaching for sugary snacks. So, how do you get more blueberries in your life? They're great on their own, but you can also toss them in smoothies, yogurt, or even salads. Get creative and enjoy the delicious benefits of blueberries. Next, we've got the beloved avocado. Now I know some people shy away from avocados because they're high in fat, but remember, it's all about healthy fats. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are actually linked to weight loss and reduced belly fat. These healthy fats help you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating and those pesky cravings. And don't forget, avocados are incredibly versatile. Spread some on toast in the morning, add it to your salads for creaminess, or whip up some delicious guacamole for a healthy snack. Trust me, your body will thank you. Let's talk about green tea, a beverage that's been enjoyed for centuries for its health benefits. Green tea is a great alternative to sugary drinks, and it contains compounds called catechins, specifically EGCG, that have been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Studies have even shown that drinking green tea can lead to a reduction in body weight and waist circumference. So, ditch the soda and make green tea your new go-to beverage. You can enjoy it hot or cold, and even add a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing twist. Your metabolism will be thanking you. Don't underestimate the power of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with fiber and protein, but what makes them particularly beneficial for weight loss is their ability to absorb water and expand in your stomach. This expansion creates a feeling of fullness and can help you eat less overall. Chia seeds are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Adding a tablespoon or two to your smoothies, yogurt, or even just water can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. Let's talk about salmon, a delicious and nutritious fish that deserves a spot on your plate. Salmon is an excellent source of protein which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. But here's the real star: omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which is important for weight loss, because inflammation can actually interfere with your metabolism. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish, like salmon, per week to reap the benefits. Greek yogurt is a versatile superfood that can be a valuable tool for weight loss. It's significantly higher in protein than regular yogurt, keeping you full and satisfied. But that's not all. Greek yogurt is also packed with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut. And a healthy gut is crucial for weight management. Probiotics help improve digestion and nutrient absorption, making sure your body is efficiently utilizing the food you eat. Opt for plain Greek yogurt and add your own fruit for sweetness, or use it as a base for smoothies, dips, and sauces. Last but not least, we have quinoa, a complete protein that's a fantastic addition to any weight loss diet. Now you might be thinking, what's so special about a complete protein? Well, it means that quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. This makes it an excellent source of plant-based protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it also keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, quinoa is high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Swap out your white rice or pasta for quinoa and experience the difference it can make. So there you have it, the top 7 superfoods for weight loss that are backed by science. Remember, incorporating these foods into a balanced diet, along with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, can help you achieve your weight loss goals. We've only scratched the surface today, and I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your favorite ways to enjoy these superfoods? Share your tips and recipes in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and science-backed advice. See you next time.